Hello everyone and welcome back. For day 6 we'll be doing some breath work accompanied by a relaxing short sequence. So begin in a comfortable seated position and close the eyes. Begin to breathe deeply as if you're breathing into the stomach. Breathe with your diaphragm. And with each exhale, find a taller, more supported and open posture. Hold the spine high, relax the shoulders down, and tuck the chin in slightly. The past few days we have explored different forms of movement, different ways to find freedom with the body. But for today's practice, I want you to focus on your breathing and your senses, tuning fully into your body and linking breath with each transition. And during the poses, continuing to breathe as deep as you can and as controlled and evenly as you can. So just begin today's session by making your inhales and exhales completely even and continuous. So no stopping in between. Visualize your breath as the tide coming in and out, or maybe a wave crashing and returning back to the ocean. Find a pace that's good for you, and then make sure those inhales are deep, and use every exhale today as an opportunity to release stress. We'll be here for about 1 more minute. One more cycle of breath here. Then when you're ready, open the eyes up. Inhale to reach the arms towards the sky, and exhale, place them down on the knees. Then just shift your body forwards and backwards, alternating the direction. Round the back as you head towards the back, and try and lift the chest as you lean forwards. Link your breath, inhaling forward and exhaling backwards. Good, return back to neutral and just add circles in the neck now. Take it nice and slow. Good, come back to neutral. Inhale to lift the arms up and exhale, enter your plank position. Inhale in plank and exhale, lower slowly to the mat. Inhale to lift slightly off of the chest, bring the arms forward. On the exhale, lift up into Sphinx pose. Elbows support you here, bring them directly under the shoulders. Keep that deeper breathing going. Breathe down into the base of the lungs and slowly relax the body here, but stay supported in the shoulders. Inhale, reach the right arm to the front and out to the right, then bring the the left leg over so it touches the ground behind you. Interlace the fingers, or hook the thumbs, or just hold that shoulder stretch without any interlace here. Press backwards for this deeper shoulder opener and a little bit of a hip opener. Good. Inhale back to the middle, right arm comes under. Exhale, swap to the other side. Left arm reaches out, right leg crosses behind you. Interlace the fingers if you'd like. Be mindful of your breathing again. Inhale back to the middle. And exhale, interlace the fingers, lift up for a snake pose or variation of snake pose. Inhale here, and exhale, place the hands down, head lowers. Inhale, lift up to cobra. Exhale to lower. You're going for a couple cobra lifts and lowers. Link your breath. Inhale to lift, exhale to lower back down. Take it slow and at your own pace. Listen to your back. Again, this practice today is a lot about your mind to body connection, so spend extra time noticing how each pose feels. An option to add some cobra twists, so turning a little bit more towards one shoulder as you lift up, if your back feels ready for it. Good, one more. And bring those hands back in, tuck the toes under, exhale to downward dog. Good, find your alignment. Press with the shoulder blades, sink the heels, maybe bend the knees. From here, we're just gonna lift and lower the heels. Inhale to lift them up onto the toes. Exhale, sink them down. A couple more times. Next, inhale, right leg lifts up. Exhale, tuck it into your chest. Step it forwards. Inhale to lift up to your high lunge. Exhale, open into your peaceful warrior. Left hand to left leg, reach the right arm up, find your stretch in the right side. Pivot back onto the toes of the left foot, and right arm connects to the left leg, left arm lifts for a twisted lunge. Exhale, hands come back down to the mat. Bring the left heel down and extend the right leg out to the left for a fallen triangle. So that right leg is tucking underneath you, left arm lifts up. Exhale, hand down. Inhale, lift the right leg up. Kick it to the sky and maybe open the hips just a bit. Bend the knee, stacking the hips. Good, lower that leg back down and we're gonna take it to the other side. First, a couple more heel lifts. Inhale to lift, exhale to lower them. Take it slow and controlled. Good, left leg lifts up. Inhale. Exhale to tuck it in. Step it forwards and inhale to your high lunge. On the exhale, we're going to turn into peaceful warrior, right hand to right leg, and lift that left arm up and over. Pivot onto the toes of the right foot, left arm to right leg, lift that right arm up for your twisted lunge. Breathe deep. Use those exhales as a chance to relax, a chance to feel more of the pose. Good, hands come back down to the mat. Lift that left leg up and step it underneath the right. Fallen triangle. Reach the right arm up here. Good, right hand comes back down, lift that left leg up, and exhale, extend it up to the sky here. Bend the left knee, maybe stack the hips if you feel like it. Good, lower the leg back down. Opportunity for a few more deeper breaths, a little bit of a reset in downward dog. Next, inhale, walk between the hands, halfway lift. Exhale to fold a little bit deeper. Next, inhale, lift a little bit higher than halfway to mountain. Cross the left leg over the right, connect the palms, lift the chest. See if you can find your balance here. If this is difficult, come up a little higher. If you have found your balance, then go ahead and interlace the fingers behind your back. Opening the chest. Good. Inhale, tuck that leg in. Keep the clasp if you can. Exhale, send the left leg back. Inhale to lift the chest. Good. Exhale, left leg comes back down. Release the hands. Inhale, lift. And exhale, lower to your forward fold. Inhale again, come up a little bit higher. Right leg crosses over the left. Connect the palms, lift the chest. Good. If you have found your balance here, inhale. And on the exhale, we're going to clasp the hands behind the back or hook the thumbs. Inhale to lift the chest. Good. Inhale, tuck that right leg up. Keep the clasp. Exhale, send the right leg back. Find your warrior three. Inhale to lift the chest. Exhale, right leg comes back down. Inhale, arms lift. And exhale to dive. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, left leg steps back. Right leg comes across the mat here, and left leg comes to the side for a 90-90. Inhale, arms lift, and exhale, bow down towards the right foot a little bit here. Good. Again, another opportunity to breathe a little deeper. Slow down again. And try and slowly sink into this deer pose. This is a bit hard for you to be near that right foot, then walk the hands further back towards the knee. And then right leg crosses over the left leg comes up in front of you. Take a spinal twist facing the right. Left arm hooks on the outside of the right knee. Good, bring that right leg to the right, left leg bends out in front of you, and inhale, lift the arms, exhale, lower towards the left foot. If it's too much, hands come a little bit closer to the left knee instead. Close the eyes, relax with each exhale. Inhale to lift back up. Left leg crosses over the right this time, right leg in front of you, and right arm on the outside of the left knee. Twist. You should be facing the left here. Inhale to lift back through the middle. Exhale, fold down for a seated forward fold. Bend the knees if you need. Release the head towards the legs and try and find that tilt forwards of the pelvis. Good. Inhale, lift back up. Exhale to your forward fold, the standing variation this time. Maybe wrap the arms behind the legs or just place them out in front of you. Step both feet back into downward dog, lower the knees to the mat. And we'll finish off with one deep breath, circling the arms to the sky, and exhale, bring them down to your chest. Well done. I hope you're able to find a little bit more mind to body connection, a little bit more focus on your breath. And I will see you tomorrow for day 7.